Welcome to a GrabCAD Print Pro tutorial. The Label tool allows users to add custom text directly to your parts. Opening the Labels model will show us labels we create later. To add a label, right-click on the model, select Add Label to Body, and simply hover over the area you wish to place the label. The label will adapt to the model's surface. Enter your text, select a font, choose the type of label you'd like to add, emboss or deboss, change your font size, font padding, and the depth of emboss or deboss selected. Hit Save. The flag shows where the label is located with a number indicator in the order they are added. At the top, select Update to update the model geometry to show the label that has been applied. Labels applied to an angled or curved surface will wrap to the surface. You will want to check that your label has been applied in the appropriate place. Labels can be later edited by selecting the flag by the label or by accessing each individual application in the Labels menu. Click the pencil to reopen the menu and edit your label. Model geometry will need to be updated once more. To add serialization, you can go to Templates, create a new template where you can choose the type of template or serialization application you desire. Choose Insert to insert an automatic generation of numbers or unique identifiers the operator chooses. The rest of the menu is similar and the same. Here, we're going to adjust our serial number of 1. If needed, I can grab the rotational errors to adjust the angle, or click on the label to adjust its placement. Once the serialization has been added, we can hit Save and update the model. Notice we now have 2 labels in our label menu. Once the label has been applied, check that it is appropriate as designed. And for this example, we're also going to use the 3D Array tool. Labels applied with the template and a unique identifier inserted with a equation will also be automatically applied to models that are duplicated or created with the Array tool. Update the geometry to see it applied individually to each model. Once the update has finished, check that all parts have the desired serialization applied to them. The duplicate function can also be used to copy parts that apply unique identifiers. The geometry will need to be updated once again for the serialization to take place. Once the update is complete, check each part individually to verify it has the correct label or identifier. Individual labels can be checked in the Label tool. If it's hard to see, you can hide the label tags by clicking the Hide Tags button, and individually check or adjust each label as needed in the menu.